Okay folks, today we have this FAI lock which I salvaged. It has a pretty standard, very large keyway, so nothing particular about this lock. It is a very easy lock. I apply bottom of the key tensioning. One thing I find it hard to do is to apply bottom of the key tensioning when the tensioning tool is so large inside the keyway, because it goes hitting the end of the keyway and give me false feedback, but if I place it carefully I can manage. So here we go, my usual very small hook. Pin number 1 is free. Pin number 2 is binding tightly. Pin number 2, oops, tensioning tool has fallen. So better to start over. Pin number 1, it is set, was free already. Pin number 2, binding tightly. Click. Pin number 3, binding tightly. Got in. It looks like a falset, but I know this lock already. This is not a falset, this is just a lot of clearance. Pin number 4, binding. Click. Pin number 5, binding. Click and open. Alright, this was a very easy lock. No security pins in it, even though at pin number 3 I remember when I set it, it turned a lot, the core turned a lot, but I do not think it was a false set by a spool pin, because I didn't feel it. Okay.